like a
Sure.
tonneau cover.
And of course, the Cybertruck showed off the same thing.
Right.
Yeah.
Cover.
But now you have like a Hyundai.
No, it's cool.
The Hyundai is really cool.
It's interesting.
But back to the Lightning.
Back to the Lightning.
Well, but Ford just put out another small truck, the Maverick. Did you guys
Yeah.
see that
Yeah,
as
yeah.
well? So yeah, man, truck marketplace hot,
Huge.
and I'm curious, like, is this? So in the case of Tesla, they say, oh, we're going to make this Cybertruck, and we're going to convince electric car people that they need a truck, or that they want this truck at least. Maybe not necessarily go after the truck crowd who already owns an F-150 and say, now you need a Cybertruck. Like, it would be pretty wild to show up to the job site in a Cybertruck.
Yeah, we actually have a Cybertruck review on our channel. If you search up straight up Cybertruck, we drove one.
Oh, did you actually?
Well,
We drove a Cybertruck.
Uh-oh.
it was our 1 million subscriber video.
Uh-oh.
See?
I sense a troll.
Well,
I don't know,
I smell a troll.
but I love the look of the Cybertruck. Like, I think Tesla's going to kill it with that because, like, I want that, and I don't even like trucks.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying right there. As opposed to the truck person who needs a truck, has had a truck, owns a truck currently, and is aiming to replace it. That is insane.
But if that Cybertruck is more capable than a Ford F-150, I'm sure truck people will be like, I don't care. This is American made. I want to have a better truck. Let's do it.
yeah.
Yeah, but there's a certain level of flashiness where is everyone willing to pull up? That's going to be the most head-turning vehicle on the street, period.
Well, the
I'll
thing is,
agree.
if it's more capable, I'm sure there's some guy who's like, I don't care what it looks like. It does a better job, and I want it. But for the most people, yeah, like I have a cool DeLorean truck. Let's go.
Right.
Yeah. But anyway, so so Tesla takes that approach of potentially converting everybody and saying, wouldn't it be cool to just have this cool vehicle, period? And then Ford has the more subdued approach. Then you have the likes of Rivian. I know obviously you
Yeah,
guys
we
have
see
probably been paying attention to that.
What about Nikola, the fake company that rolled their truck down the hill?
Yeah, that one may or may not
exist. Nothing exists until I see it in real life.
Yeah.
And that's kind of.
They said we can review that.
Well, I don't know.
Not that.
I don't know all the details of the Nikola thing. Don't hold me to that.
Oh no, man!
I heard that they rolled it down a hill
their
or something.
CEO left and got accused of fault. Same with the Lordstown Motors. I've been following
Yeah,
these,
that's what it was, yeah.
stories. Like they misrepresented, or they're accused of misrepresenting the number of pre-orders in order to secure more funding. It's all. I mean, yeah, they're startups, right? They're not. It's not. You can't compare to. Have you guys seen this one? They're going to bring this one here. I don't know. Maybe you guys can. We can.
I think they offered this to us a while ago, but we haven't talked to them for.
They
Long
were
time.
in the States and like we couldn't get down there or something.
Yeah, well, I think we're working on getting one over in the middle of this studio. So I don't know.
Let us know. We'll come by.
You guys
do a
can-
live video only.
Yeah.
We can't drive it.
Well, then there's the Hummer,
Hummer is cool.
Yeah,
which is
Hummer
coming
as
as a
well.
truck as well.
Hummer looks next
Hummer
level,
too.
but the infotainment looks like a nightmare.
Yeah.
From
But
what I
it
remember.
has crab mode.
Crab mode.
So-
Yeah.
Yeah,
sold.
they showed that off at the Super Bowl commercial. So, all right, then.
I would do a Hummer over an F-150 for sure, but I also wouldn't probably get neither because
But they also
They're
announced
huge.
the pricing of these, and they're way more than an F-150.
but that Hummer looks cool. And then they had like the Led Zeppelin thing
Yeah,
for
yeah.
like the trailer of it. Like that
It's
was cool.
$112,000 US to start.
And it's not coming for like another 2-3 years.
It's very pricey.
Yeah.
You got to really want it. I think it's cool.
It's really cool.
So
Oh,
what,
sorry. I meant like the video trailer, like the launch video. We can't play that on I don't think we can play Led Zeppelin on the podcast.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we got clearance.
Oh, okay.
This is a really
Just checking.
this is a really established show here. So
Wait till we start
We've made-
copyright claiming all the
Yeah.
clips he used of us.
all the clearances in advance.
Send me that money.
So as far as those different takes on the electric truck that we just mentioned, like that wide variety there, if you guys were forced to buy one, spend your own money, it had to be your only car. Which one would you go with?
Cybertruck.
Cybertruck.
Oh, wow.
'Cause it looks so
cool. Interesting.
F-150s for
It's
like
ridiculous.
normal people just transitioning to electric who don't care. Cybertruck is for, people who are just like, yo, we want something cool. It'll do well for views and it'll look cool and it'll be good for the image of the channel.
Well, definitely the business side of things.
And
But I'm talking about actually, if it was my only car, like would I at some point get, this is something I'm thinking, fed up with all the attention everywhere I go.
But if they sell a lot, then it won't even be like Model Ys when they came out. We're like, whoa, and now you're like, Model
No,
Y,
no,
whatever.
no. Don't compare the Cybertruck to a Model Y.
Model Y was like really exciting. when it came
Oh,
out.
come
A
on,
lot when you saw the first
It's
couple.
a squished Model
I think you mean a
X.
Model X, first of all, but you're still
No, I was still excited on the Model Ys.
Really?
I don't know.
The Model Y is just a
Yeah.
squished Model X.
Yeah, but they were new on the road. I'm sure people get used to it.
I don't
Like, what's a current car that's like wild at first, and now people are used to it?
Stinger, Kia Stinger.
No, it's not
Jacob
wild.
Jacob just loves seeing the Stingers.
No, I think that the Stinger actually looks pretty good.
So what
but-
we're saying is nothing on the road in the last 10 years is as cool as a Cybertruck will be.
Yeah, but
Absolutely.
So how would we not want to pick it?
a consumer recommendation for the one that someone should actually probably buy will probably be the F-150, just because it is the F-150. Ford can't afford to screw it up.
I see. So you're making the distinction between what you would want versus what you would recommend. And you
Yeah.
get back full circle on this conversation about how bizarre it is, how different, how divergent those paths are.
Definitely recommend the F-150. I would take the Cybertruck, but like
Yep.
the
So
Hummer
weird.
might be
Yep.
just as cool.
Right.
Like
But
imagine
price-wise-
crab walking into stuff.
But if yeah, like advice wise, be like, oh, what electric truck should I get? Well, the Hummer's $150,000 and the F-150's $60,000.
And the Cybertruck doesn't exist yet.
You're talking Canadian dollars.
Roughly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Canadian.
Yeah, I feel the need to put that in there because it sounds like a lot of money.
Right.
When you
yeah.
say 150, I'm like, whoa, that's
I
a
know.
high spec model.